Hi everyone, today I'm at Lodha Amara, Thane. One of my client bought one bed with the sofa. So how we have installed the product, I'm going to show you. Come. So friends, this is Lodha Amara society. Beautiful societies. There are so many apartments are available here, and this is the Casa Fino of our client's location. You can see beautiful buildings here. So this is the video of our site visit. So during the site visit we do the masking at the site. We make sure that size and everything is okay and site is ready for the delivery and installation, and after that we send the product for the production. So this is the room, and now you can see this. The client is opening the bed. This is the video after installing the products. How beautifully we have delivered the products. Bed with the sofa. Client is operating this. So friends, if you are also looking to transform your rooms, your guest room, your bedroom or kids room, connect InvisibleBed.com today. Thank you.